This video is about the types and forms of social interaction, so don't skip it and must watch complete video. The social interaction is the process by which one acts and reacts to those around him. It includes those acts that people perform toward each other, and the responses they give in return. It is considered a field of study, also known as microsociology, created by Erving Goffman. When two or more people meet, they can act among themselves in countless ways. Sociologists often use the concept of social relationship as a synonym for social interaction. Symbolic interaction is also used quite frequently, but this term denotes interaction through human communication, the 5 categories of social interaction. According to Goffman, social interactions include a large number of behaviors, so many that in sociology the interaction is generally divided into 5 categories. These are exchange, competition, cooperation, and conflict. These 5 types will be examined in more detail below. 1. Exchange. Exchange is the most basic type of social interaction. Whenever people interact, they make an effort to receive a reward or a return for their actions. This reward reflects that an exchange has occurred. Exchange is a social process by which social behavior is exchanged for some kind of reward, for an equal or greater value, however, when the costs of an interaction outweigh the rewards. It is likely that people will end the relationship.
Competition. Competition is a process through which 2 or more people try to meet a goal that only one can achieve. Competition is a common feature of Western societies, and a cornerstone of the capitalist economic system and the democratic form of government. Most sociologists see competition as positive, as something that can motivate people to achieve goals. However, competition can also lead to psychological stress, lack of cooperation in social relations, inequality, and even conflict. 3. Cooperation. Cooperation is the process in which people work together to achieve shared goals. Cooperation is a social process that leads to action. No group can complete its tasks or achieve its objectives without the cooperation of its members. Cooperation often works together with other forms of interaction, such as competition. In a baseball game, for example, a team will work together, cooperation, while trying to achieve a victory, a goal that only one team can achieve.
4. Conflict. Conflict is the process by which people face physically or socially. Probably the most obvious example of conflict is war, but conflict can also be demonstrated in our daily interactions, such as legal disputes and arguments about religion and politics. Conflict can have its positive functions, such as strengthening group loyalty by focusing attention on an external threat. It can also lead to social change, putting problems at the forefront and forcing opposing sides to seek solutions. 5. Accommodation. In this you neither do cooperate nor conflict with each other. They take the middle way, which is the way of compromise. Giving up on opinion is the responsibility of the parties, is the sign to end the conflicts.
The study of social interaction is one of the most crucial topics in sociology. It is, therefore, important to understand the commonly used categories for the types of social interaction. Thanks for watching ARWorld 2020. Subscribe the channel and press on bell icon for updating latest information.